also help them with any kind of sensory regulation problems they may have. If they're feeling fidgety or antsy, getting into one of these body sacks can really help them calm down. There's a variety of things that you can do in them. You can have your head out like Aaliyah's is right now, or you can cover your head too, just like that, and there's a little hole in here that you can still breathe. There's a variety of things you can do. So one of the things you can do is some jumping jacks. So if you want to do some jumping jacks, Aaliyah? Yeah. You can also do some yoga poses. So remember we did like a warrior? Yeah. And then you can also just dance in the body sack if we played music. And do like a little chicken dance. Okay, and then you can use this body sack as many times as you want. You can use it in a classroom, you can use it at home if you have it. It's really easy to transport. You can just fold it up and it goes really well in a backpack or a purse or something. You shouldn't wear your shoes in it, so tell the kids to take their shoes off. Some other precautions would be, just because it's kind of stretchy, you could trip or fall if you're not being careful in it. And then to clean it, I would just say use like a spray or a disinfectant wipe. And you can also put it in the washer and dryer as well. And that's it.